Good morning, everyone. This is Rebecca, the Steampunk Planner. I just got a wonderful delivery. With all of the research that I have been doing, there's a lot of influencers out there that I have been watching, learning, and in that, one of the influences that I have been following and learning from is Julianne, and I believe her channel is Julianne Doodles, but she owns Peppercut. I ordered from her and I just got it in. I wanted to share this experience. She has designed her own tissue paper for packing and her new labels, which I will be seeing. Let me see if I can keep a hold of that. Probably need to sit down and work with that, but I am definitely going to be holding it. I will make sure the link for her shop is below. And also in the description, I will link the names of the washies that I purchased. But these are excellent. They're so beautiful. I didn't realize I purchased 2 of these, but this is beautiful. So I have no problem with having 2. Now, one of the things that she does is she sells her washi in a set so that she can bring it to us for a lower price than if she sold them individually. Now, I know her summer collection may be individual. She hasn't fully decided. I watched her video from a couple days ago, so I'm looking forward to seeing that. But this is her setup. So I did get both of these, and I will definitely be showcasing them soon. Like I said, I want to get the names for them for you. And then I did get a couple of her stickers. So she also designed the packaging here, this envelope, which you know me, I'm going to hold on to. And I'm going to pull everything out so you can see it. It is so pretty. Now you see why I'm going to hold on to this. With how I am a fan of the planners planner community and stickers and everything, I do hope I get some wonderful fans as well. It's, I don't know. Anyhow, back to this. It's a dream is where I was going. So this is her thank you card. And on the back, a thank you for supporting, and everything that she uses for packaging is recyclable and biodegradable. She's in California, which they're big time on making sure that everything is biodegradable, recyclable. So it would be nice to get more places around that did that. This one I thought was just way too adorable to let it pass. It's summertime and it's time to go out and blow some bubbles. I love that one. And then you all know I love the fall, so I had to get this set. This is also a great way to not only I'm watching her stuff and watching how she puts it together, but this helps me in seeing how she lays it out, even to the point where she is designing the background of the actual sticker sheet, not just the stickers. Also, she prints, cuts, and does all of this herself, not to mention, of course, designs her own stickers. All around Pepper and Friends. Oh, wow, look at that. I don't remember ordering that one, but I think it's great. It may have been a part of, yes, that's right, my bad. It's a 3-page set or a 2-page set. So this is a set. And then I purchased this and this. It's been a while since I've looked at this site, and I am so excited to get everything. I really appreciate you, Julianne, and all that you do and all that you encourage. Thank you so much.